Hi everybody, welcome to True Wants. We're here, we try to help you make that decision if it's going to stay a true want or become a true need. If you are new to my channel, I really hope you will choose to subscribe. It's free and it's easy. It's the red button that's right underneath this video. If you press it and it turns gray, you're in. It's that simple. There's also a bell that's beside that subscribe button, and I recommend that you press it. It's called the notification bell. And what ends up happening is YouTube will send you one email notifying you that I just uploaded a brand new video. You will see in your inbox the picture and the title of the video. And if you press on the picture, it acts like a shortcut and it takes you directly to the video. It's something I use and I enjoy, and I want to make sure that you guys know about it as well, because I do upload a lot and sometimes my videos are time sensitive with deals and things like that, and I don't want you to miss out. So this way you'll see it waiting for you in your inbox that you can watch it right away, or something good as a reminder for you later in the day. All right, today's a day where I am going to be going through, I received a mystery bag from a Ipsy. And the Ipsy arrived with this bag with the mystery purchase inside the bag. I waited a long time for this. I purchased this mystery bag really early on in May, and I didn't receive any tracking or anything, and that's usually not the way when you purchase through the shopper. Usually you get information a lot quicker than I did. So I did send them an email asking them what's going on, and they said it's in the shipping process, but they don't have any information yet. I waited another week, and then I wrote to them again because I still didn't hear anything. And they wrote back saying they will start monitoring this and they will get back to me. And then I finally got an email that there is tracking information, and they gave me that link. And then the next thing I knew, it was in the mailbox. So it happened really, really quickly once I got the tracking information. So just wanted to share that with you guys. So I normally don't dabble into the mystery bags, but this month I wasn't getting the Sephora Play. I've already uploaded that video of what they're doing with the Sephora Hello, which if you haven't seen that, just take a look. I just posted that the day before that. They really didn't change much except starting to charge shipping and handling of $5.95 to a $10 bag that we all were getting before for free. So that's all that I shared with you guys, and I would love your thoughts and comments on that video to know how you feel about that. But so I figured, okay, there was no real other box that I was looking at that was fitting that void. So when I saw the mystery bag on Ipsy Shopper, I decided, okay, I'm gonna give that a whirl. So that's what I did. So it is called the limited edition Mystery Magic Hour Mystery Bag. And this is the bag that came, and I think it is absolutely adorable. I love these little tassels. It has almost all the shades except for the blue one that were in all of the May bags that you got in your regular bag, your plus, or your ultimate. So it has all those except for the blue one. The back is just plain with the Ipsy name, and when you open up the tassel, it has that yellow lining inside, and of course with the Ipsy tag. So I think they did a really nice job. This whole thing cost me $14. So what they did here was they said the amount that was going to be in this mystery bag was going to be over $57, and like I said, I paid $14, and they limited 3 of these bags per. They also put a little snippet that I'm just going to read quickly because this, I think I might have gotten 1 or 2 of the names that are on this little caption that they wrote here. So they wrote, "Capture your best light with 5 surprise picks inspired by the just before sunset glow. Each limited edition mystery bag will include 5 products chosen randomly from our spring assortment. Your mystery bag may contain products from the Ipster favorite brands, which was Shea, the Balm, Makiage, Glow Recipe, SKYLAR Body, and Hemp, and more." So when they had those, I figured at least maybe I'll get 1 or 2 of those in my bag, and those names were ones that popped out at me. So I figured, okay, you know what? Let's do it. So that's what I did. So we're going to, I opened up the bag and I took a picture for Instagram, which is what I always do prior to filming. And then we're just going to go through what I got in the bag. And I'm pretty impressed because I normally don't go for mystery bags. But like I said, I didn't have that $10 Sephora. So I figured for the $14, and you get a bag, which you normally don't get in others. I figured, why not? Okay. So the first item, and it looks like all the products that I got are sample size except for 1. Possibly 2, you'll have to tell me. But what really surprised me was that a lot of them are made elsewhere. So I have one that's from Korea, a couple from Canada, one from Germany, and one from USA. So let's get started. Okay, the first one is from this brand called Avette. That's what this one looks like here. And they're saying it is a water flash coconut water cream. The only thing when you buy the mystery bag, there is no card, but then again, there was no card in any of the Ipsys that I received in May, but there's no information. So all the information is based on what you can read on the back of the labels here. And this is a coconut water cream. And the only thing that I wanted to share with you guys is that this is distributed by Moly, but it is made in Korea. So I love coconut water, but I was really impressed that this even had a safety seal on it. So let me take that off and show you guys here what the actual product looks like. So that's what the cream looks like. Now water creams, they go on white like this, but as soon as you touch them, they truly turn to a liquid very similar to water, like an essence. So it's really, really pretty. So if you're going to use a water cream, what I do recommend is if you're using an essence is really the thinnest, and you always go from the thinnest consistency to the thickest. So you start with your essence, a water cream now if you have it, then a serum, then your moisturizer, and then your primer. So there's a lot of steps. But Korean beauty, they love all the steps, and these little extra steps like the essence made a huge difference in I felt my skin, and I've really been enjoying the water creams. And the water cream in the summertime I think is really, really a nice moisturizer too. So if you don't want to use anything heavy, a water cream is the way to go. The next item that we received is from Canada, and it's from Marc Anthony. It's 100% extra virgin coconut oil and shea butter. It's a leave-in conditioner, which I really enjoy. And this says it is a detangling and hydrating dry damaged hair into a soft, smooth, healthy looking hair. And it's made with biotin. And they're saying it is free from sulfates, and that's what the item looks like here. And it's a really, really nice size. And if you're not familiar with, if you're a Canadian, you're completely familiar with Marc Anthony. He is a very well-known hairdresser in Canada, and then he started coming out with his professional line, and then he started going into some drugstore brands, but this one looks like it is from his true professional line. So that's what the product looks like here. I took off the little thing to take off the safety seal. I don't even know if I showed that to you guys. This smells like coconuts, which is just so summertime to me. And that's how lightweight that is. But like I said, this is a leave-in conditioner for your hair. I just wanted to show you the consistency, and that's what it looks like here. Oh, I love that type of smell. And that's when I love using leave-in conditioners. That smell, your hair just grabs it, and that's the scent that you always smell when there's a whiff of your hair. But love, love, love. All right, the next item is also from Canada, and it's from SKYLAR. It's distributed in an LA company called SKYLAR, but it is made in Canada. And it's so ironic that now that I'm in the USA, I'm seeing so many more brands here that are made in Canada. So hopefully a couple of those other brands like Marcel and a couple of brands that I really got used to living in Canada that aren't available here or I haven't seen here will start coming in here. And I know if someone's going to bring it in, it will be Ipsy. So this is called SKYLAR. It's a hydrating body lotion with hyaluronic acid, and it's called CAPRI. And they're saying it is a sparkling citrus sweet. It has no parabens or sulfates, and it is just a hydrating cream. So I'm assuming this is probably for the body. So let's open her up, and this probably has a safety seal as well. So let's open it from here. Yeah, another safety seal. I love when sample sizes have safety seals because it's that little extra step, and especially if you want to give it away, you know that it hasn't been tampered with at all. So that's what it looks like here, and we'll put this in here. Yeah, that's a way thicker cream. So to me, that's a body cream. Oh, I should have smelled it from here because now I smell the coconuts. No, very light scent, and that's what that looks like here. And yeah, that's just a very, very nice cream. So I'm going to have to read up a little bit more on that because I truly don't know. And it doesn't say anything behind here. It just says clean, hypoallergenic, and cruelty-free. And then it just has the ingredients. So it really doesn't tell you. Oh, I read it at the beginning. It's a hydrating body lotion with hyaluronic acid. So it is a body cream. Okay, the next item that we got is a full-size item, and it's from one of the brands that I absolutely love, and it's a product that's made in Germany. It's from this brand called Makiage. I have been so impressed with this brand. I'm enjoying their lipsticks, their eyeliners. Their mascara is one of my favorites. It comes in a silver, and the way the brush is just, it grabs your lashes perfectly. It goes it goes from narrow to thicker back to narrow. There's just something about it, and the formula isn't too wet and it isn't too dry. It truly is a perfect formula. So if you get these in your box, they're really, it's a fantastic brand. And like I said, it's made in Germany. And this is Il Makiage, and it is just says made in Germany, and then that's it. And I Am Pro Makeup New York is probably who distributes it. So that's what it looks like here. It's got that fine tip. I have a lot of these open, but I absolutely love them, and I'm enjoying every single one and playing with all these other ones. So it really is a fine tip. So if you really want a fine line, you can get it. It really is that true black. To me, it doesn't run. It's just, I'm so impressed with this Il Makiage brand, and that's in this bag as well. And the last item we got was from the Balm, and it is the Autobalm Girl Power Cheeks on the Go, and I love these. I know these are considered sample sizes, but blushes, I have never hit pan on a blush, and I'm a blush girl. And they're saying this is made in the USA, and let me just show you the color here. And it's saying it is in Houston. And there is something about the Balm packaging that's very 1950s or even 40s. It's just probably 50s. It's just so girly, and it's just that perfect type of packaging that I just love. So let me just give it a little swatch here so you guys can see. And it's that perfect color. And I'm gonna blend it out, which it looks like there, but I'm going to do one swatch where you guys can see the color right beside it. So that's the swatch of it, and that's when you blend it out. Really pretty. It's that perfect flush of color. I did check before I decided to film, and this is all still available. So once again, this is called the limited edition Magic Hour mystery bag. It was $14. You got this beautiful bag. We got the product from Marc Anthony. It's the hair conditioner. We got a coconut water from Avette, which is distributed by Tony Moly. Another product made in Canada called SKYLAR, which we found out was a body lotion. We have the Il Makiage in the retail box. So this is also a nice way to give a full-size gift for a liquid liner. And then the Houston blush from the Balm. So I think I did great. So I have really been impressed. Like I said, I've never dabbled into a mystery bag, and if this is what they're all about, it might be something that I'm going to be putting on my needs list in the future. So like I said, the names that were on here were Cella, which I did not get, the Balm, which I did, Il Makiage, which I did, Glow Recipe, I did not, SKYLAR Body, which I did, and Hemp's. And Hemp's is another really great body lotion that I really enjoy. So out of what they said possibly would be in the bag, we did get 3 out of the 5 names that are on here. So I think I did really good. I hope if you guys do get this, you get some of the products that you want in your mystery bag. But like I said, the bag alone is just absolutely adorable, and I think it is great for gift giving. All right, just wanted to share that with you guys, and if you have an opportunity and you're enjoying my content, I really hope you will give me a thumbs up. Supposedly that's really important on the YouTube platform. It lets other people know about my channel who like this type of content. So thank you. It's right underneath, and please just give me a thumbs up. And then leave in the comments down below if you've ever gotten these mystery bags. Have you ever been disappointed? Why were you disappointed? What was in there that you thought was going to be in there and wasn't? I am really excited. I think this is really a lot of fun, and this is why I always recommend that if you're looking at getting into subscription bags or boxes, I always suggest to start with Ipsy, because with a $12 subscription that you spend to get a bag that usually has, they say it's 5 full sample sizes, deluxe sample sizes, but you always usually end up with at least 1 full size. But it gets you into the Ipsy family, which enables you to do reviews, which gets you points for free products, as well as the shopper, which every day they have new bundles and new deals, and they're always fantastic. So it's really just you deciding if you want it or you don't. It's usually not something like, I can't believe that's what they're selling. They're always enjoyable to go on the shopper every day. So it's really just, wheeling it in and seeing if it's something you really need or it's something you want. So that's how I look at the shopper. Anyways, just wanted to share that with you guys. Really happy that it still came in the month of May and I was able to share it with you. Once again, leave those comments down below. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. But most importantly, I do appreciate that you decide to take some part of your day to spend it with me here. I do truly appreciate that so, so much. And everybody, just continue to stay safe and stay well, and I'll see you all in my next video. Take care and bye-bye for now.